Iram Naz.
Iram, who was the winner?
Ma'am, I am the winner of. You have only announced, ma'am.
Ma'am, I was the winner. Tell him. Ma'am, please tell her.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, not typing game. Ma'am, I am asking of the game that you have spoken a word and I have got 12.
Yes.
Oh, that was the you winner, ma'am. But in the typing game, I was the winner.
Yes, you was the winner in the typing game.
You
Ma'am,
were,
but I
not
am
you
talking
was.
about that one.
Ma'am, I was the third in that day.
Ma'am, can we play that game?
Ma'am, till 28, we have to submit typing game.
Beta
Ma'am,
wait.
till 28.
Till 28th, what?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
typing
we have to submit
game.
that.
Yes. Till 20,
Ma'am, we have
28th
to
is the
submit that.
deadline. It is the deadline. Okay, you have to give it by 28th.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can we play? Ma'am, you will tell that what game we will play.
Yes, I will tell. Just wait. Let me mark your attendance first. In the last period also I missed. So I'm marking off both the periods.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, I'm writing. Ma'am, anybody has come. Yes, ma'am.
Norway.
Very nice, Abhimanyu beta. Very good. Okay, so everybody is ready with your books, SST books. Your cameras should be open. Everyone open your camera so that we can start our game.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I am only going to speak out the important terms which belong to a particular chapter. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Then you will tell what, and we have to find it from
Yes,
the book.
you have to find
then
it. I am just going to speak out a word. And the word is like so special, so
Ma'am.
unique about that chapter only, that particular word has not been repeated, or that word is not there in any other chapter. Like suppose the word is rhododendron. We have just studied rhododendron in one chapter. All of us know. Sand dunes and acacia, cactus and acacia, that has come only in one chapter, right? Saffron, only in one chapter. Confluence, Triveni Sangam, these kind of words. Okay? So the first word that you have to, everybody is ready?
Yeah, we have to write in chat. Ma'am, you will tell page number also.
Ready.
No, that is what I'm telling, beta. I will not tell the page number.
Then we have to speak or write.
Remember.
Then we have to write all the things. Which paragraph, which line, which word.
What are we doing?
Ma'am, please tell me. Ma'am, I was disconnected. Ma'am, please tell me again what we are doing. Ma'am, what we are doing?
First of all, everyone mute yourself. Then I will tell what we are doing. We are playing a game from your SST book. Okay, the game is I am going to speak out a word. That word is very unique, which belongs to one particular chapter only. Suppose the word is rhododendron. We studied about rhododendron trees, right? Now the word rhododendron is not repeated in many chapters. It is just in one chapter. You have to open up that chapter. You have to look at the page number. You have to quickly type in the chat box page number this, and then I will come to know that you have found it on the right place. Chapter 15, page number this. Chapter 15, just write CH for chapter 9, page number 102, like that. Fine. I will come to know that you have picked the word, you have come on the right place.
Ma'am,
Now what? Yes?
Ma'am, privately to you.
Yes, privately to me. Otherwise, what is the point of playing, no? Ready?
नहीं आ रही
Children, are my
मैं
signals
वॉइस
fine?
आ रही है तो अटक अटक के आ रही
Beta
है
Unsha, you have joined the wrong link. You are in the wrong class. Go to class 3. This is class 4 going on. Okay? Everybody else just...
क्लास
This is class 4 going on. Okay? Leave this meeting and join your meeting, beta. Go and check in your class group whose period it is.
मैम हमारी क्लास में तो यही ग्रुप था
आपकी क्लास में ये लिंक था? You are from 3rd A?
यस मैम
You are from 3rd A. Sadhna ma'am is there. She is taking your class. See, at 10:33, she has shared a link. Go and join her link. It's Sadhna ma'am's class going on.
What we will do today?
Now, who is asking what we will do?
I'm Krishna.
And please tell the word
Krishna, beta, we are playing a game. I'm going to speak out a word. You have to find out in which chapter and on what page number that word is. Okay?
मैम
And then you have to write it in the chat box, chapter 12, page 147, whatever the page is. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
मैम only chapter and page
Whosoever will answer me first will be the winner, and everyone has to send the answer to me privately. So all of you,
Ma'am, we have
please. Yes.
मैम we have to send a chapter and page number only
Yes, that's all. Okay. Now,
query
yes. What beta?
I think something wrong in tablet, ma'am. It's not showing, ma'am, the sending option.
Your camera, your device.
Yes, ma'am, my device.
Okay, just try to type something. Have you seen the chat box? Is the chat box being shown?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's not even giving the option to type.
What is it showing?
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, what he has to do.
What?
Ma'am, she has to click on that, ma'am, chat box, ma'am. Ma'am, in the arrow, ma'am, small arrow, she has to click on, ma'am, if he has to give to you. So, ma'am, click on Neha Power, then click on, ma'am, in to Neha Power privately, then, ma'am, under that, ma'am, click on that. Then he,
Ma'am,
he can
ma'am,
type.
Adrika, are you able
Adrika
to
saying-
understand what he's saying?
Now Adrika is saying that she can't type, and the line in which we type, it's not coming.
Ma'am, I have told that only.
Ma'am,
Adrika, are
ma'am, he
you...
is told that if ma'am, he is told if you can't send message to you, ma'am, then this tricks work.
She can give messages from this trick.
Have you found?
Please tell the word.
Have you found?
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, what?
Ma'am, you are in mute.
Ma'am, please tell the word. Ma'am, chapter.
Okay, Adrika, do you see that option more on your device? Adrika, yes or no?
No, ma'am.
See, there are 3 dots made. Under your picture, there are 3 dots made, Adrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on those 3 dots.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, what do you see there?
Ma'am, it's only showing one option, ma'am. That is save chat.
Save chat.
Ma'am, it is also showing, ma'am, merge to meeting windows.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do one thing. Yes.
Ma'am, safe chat. Ma'am, how can we use the option safe?
What, beta?
Ma'am, what will happen if we click on safe chat?
Safe chat. I don't know what is going to happen.
Ma'am, it is not going to click, ma'am. Save chat is only, ma'am, a button.
Okay, listen now. Adrika, if you find the answer, you can just raise your hand. I will ask. Okay? I'm asking while we are playing this game, you're not able to type. So I give you this opportunity to just raise your hand. Fine? Children, is my internet connection fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm very fine.
Okay. The first word is
Ma'am, please speak.
Ma'am, please tell.
yes, beta. Yes, I am telling. Okay, the first word is Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa. Very nice. I have got the answer.
Ma'am, from whom you get the answer?
Utsav, where has your answer come from? This is not the answer, beta.
Ma'am, I think there can be
No.
an answer.
It is not there. Okay, so it was Varun Goyal to answer it. Children, in the last chapter only, the unity of India, the diversity of India. We did it in that. Onam, Navroz, Gudi Padwa, and Poila Boishakh.
Shit.
1 point to Varun. Okay, the next word is
Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, I was just on that chapter only.
okay.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, please start.
Ma'am, now start.
The next word is black buck. Black buck. Black buck.
Ma'am, black buck.
Yes.
कहाँ से करना है?
Black buck.
मैं तो इधर देखता हूँ. Black buck.
Yes. Okay, very nice. I got the answer. It was Iram Nas to answer first. Chapter 16, page number 103. Factpedia.
Ma'am, I am on that page. Ma'am, I am on that page only.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Ma'am, I am also on that page only.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
you
have
have
sent.
sent. You have sent the answer, but before you, Iram Nas sent.
Ma'am, I was also on that page only.
Okay, now shall we move to the next word?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next word is
What is next word?
Mm-mm. The Park Strait. The Park Strait.
Um,
Ma'am, park is straight.
Very nice.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of Park State?
PALK. It is in the
Ma'am,
ninth chapter. It is in the ninth chapter, page number 57. Utsav
Ma'am,
Gangwal
I
is the
said-
first one to answer.
yes.
Ma'am, I also said.
And
Ma'am,
1 point.
Ma'am, I'm on chapter 8.
Ma'am,
So I can't find
ma'am,
it.
sometimes because of network issues, ma'am, I send and it reached very late.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I also.
Ma'am, I also. Sometimes. Ma'am, where is Park Lake?
Park Strait, beta. Park Strait. PALK.
Ma'am, on the
And
page,
straight.
ma'am, on the page number 57, chapter number 9.
On page number
Ma'am, I have
57.
Chapter
Ma'am,
number
I have
9.
Ma'am, I have told that only.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am the first in this.
Ma'am, please tell.
Okay, the next word. Iram, what happened, beta? What do you want?
Ma'am, Park State, I cannot see only.
Open up page number 57 of your
Ma'am,
book.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, there is a photo given in which a train and a bridge is there. Ma'am, before that photo, ma'am, under that photo is written the Park Strait.
Could you see,
Yes,
Iram?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now I can see.
The
Ma'am,
next
I have
word.
visited. Ma'am, I have visited Park State and then sat on the train.
Very nice. The next word is crust. CRUST. Crust.
Trust. Trust.
Ma'am, I found. Ma'am, I also found. Ma'am, I have sent. Ma'am, who is the first? Ma'am, who
The
was
first one to send this answer was Varun Goyal.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I have
No.
said.
You have sent, beta. I have received your answer before you. Varun was the first one to send.
Ma'am, I got 2 points.
Shit.
Yes.
Ma'am, there is only 2 answers, ma'am, but how can Varun
Ma'am,
get 2 points?
Ma'am, I have written that only from chapter 7, ma'am, page 43. Ma'am, see.
Beta, when did I say your answer is wrong? Did I say your answer is wrong?
Ma'am, but before him, I have written.
Before Utsav, Varun has sent this. Chapter 7, page 43.
Oh.
Ma'am, it is on page 42 also.
Yes, you can write page 42 also. Okay, the next one. The next word is Chiro. CHERAW. Chiro.
Chiro.
Now remember what is Chiro. We studied Chiro somewhere.
Ma'am, I not remember where we have learned, in which chapter we have learned Chiro.
What is Chiro?
Ma'am, a dance.
Ma'am, I have given the answer.
Very nice. I got the answer from Utsav Gangwar.
Ma'am, have you gotten my answer?
I have got Jayesh answer, Lakshita.
Ma'am, ma'am, Varun and I are on each point.
Yes.
What's wrong with Iram today, huh? Iram?
Ma'am, in typing game, I was the first. In this game, well, I don't know.
Okay. Again now.
Fine.
The next word is
Ma'am, please wait. But now tell.
the next word is fertilizers. Fertilizers. Okay, very nice. This time the answer has been sent by Lakshita Gangwar. Very good.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
Yes, Iram has also sent, but
Ma'am,
after
I also
Lak-
should.
yes,
Ma'am, what is the word?
the page, chapter number 19 and page number 129. In soil pollution, we have pesticides and fertilizers.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, on 128 page number also. Ma'am, fertilizers.
Okay, that is also correct. Then the next word is acid rain.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the next word?
Acid rain. All right, I have got the answer from Varun Goyal.
Ma'am, it is correct.
Hmm.
Ma'am, on 128 page.
Very nice. Now, so what are your points, children?
Ma'am, my points are one. Ma'am, my point is one. Answer is correct or not? Ma'am, the answer which I have given.
That's correct, beta. Varun, the answer is correct.
Ma'am, ma'am, in this answer, I win or not?
In this one, yes, you of course. You got the point. You were the first one to answer.
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 3.
Very nice.
Ma'am, 1.
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2.
Okay.
Ma'am,
The next
one.
word. The next word is estuary.
Okay, ma'am.
Estuary.
Okay, ma'am, I know where it is.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Jaldi se chapter.
Very nice. It's Iram Naz to answer it. Very good, Iram. The next word is secret ballot. Secret ballot.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can you wait?
Ma'am, who was the first
So
one to answer?
this time it was Utsav Gangwar to answer it.
Yay, ma'am, 3 points and Varun also 3 points.
Ma'am,
Okay, it's on
Ma'am,
page number
Utsav and I is
31.
on
It is on page number 31, chapter number 5. Very nice. Next is, the next word is election commission. Election commission. Beta, where on page number 31? I can't see election commission on page number 31 anywhere. Tell me the line number.
Ma'am, I was thinking there can be.
No. Don't bring on can be's. Okay, so it is Iram Naz. Iram Naz is the one to give the correct answer.
Ma'am, 333. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Varun,
Ma'am, I got 3.
Yes.
Ma'am, but
Now
next time I corrected my
Varin,
answer.
Utsav and Iram have a tie in between.
Yes, sir.
Also give,
And
Ma'am,
now
I am
I
also
have
giving
to
this answer.
Beta, you
Page
have
number
given the
33,
answer.
chapter number 5.
Yes, you have given the answer. Very nice. But it was about who is giving the answer.
first.
Yes, first. Then we have the next word is condensation. Condensation.
Mom, I found page number 43 and Mom, chapter 7, domains of the earth.
Very nice. Very nice. So one
Ma'am,
point
but
goes.
she is speaking. So, ma'am,
So
we
beta,
can-
Yes, ma'am.
she was permitted to speak. Her chat is working. Her chat
Ma'am, she
is
has an
working.
advantage.
Ma'am, but you have to tell first in typing also.
Yes, the first one in typing was page number 40. It was Lakshita Gangwar. Okay.
Okay.
Lakshita.
The point goes to
Okay,
Adrika and Lakshita both. Fine. 1 point each. Then the next one.
Ma'am.
The next word is Raj Bhavan.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I got the answer from Utsav Gangwar.
Ma'am, who was the first?
I got the answer from Utsav Gangwar. He was the first one to answer.
Yay. Ma'am, I am going first.
Yes. Now Utsav Gangwar is leading with 1 point.
Yay.
Yes, ma'am. I have to win 2 points to lead. Ma'am, I win 1 point. Ma'am, only 10 minutes have left.
Okay. The next word is
Okay, ma'am.
seasonal rivers. The next word is seasonal rivers.
Ma'am, it's on the chapter water bodies. Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, water bodies. Ma'am, I have found. Ma'am, but I am writing.
Okay. In typing, Varin comes first. In typing,
Yes.
Varin comes first. Yes.
Ma'am, I come first. Ma'am, I
Iram?
have typed first.
What did you type, Iram?
Ma'am, I have typed chapter number 13.
No, beta. Before you, Iram has typed. Oh, sorry. Varin has sent the answer. And Adrika Shingle, what page number are you saying?
Ma'am, 55 page number chapter water bodies.
55.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the word seasonal rivers? Tell me. I can't see this word
What,
anywhere on this page. Seasonal rivers. The word was seasonal rivers.
Yes, ma'am.
And
No.
there are snow-fed rivers and
Yes, ma'am.
On page number 55.
Ma'am, what?
Beta, which page are you talking about? On which page?